Here at Aladdin, our mission is to design unique products to solve plumbing problems. And now we've come up with another, the EasyPipe Clean, to easily clean paint off pipes. As we know, all paint and debris needs to be removed from pipes to enable the safe installation of compression, solder fittings and of course the Aladdin EasyFit isolator. It is also necessary to allow safe electrical bonding and earthing of pipes. The EasyPipe Clean is a clever tool which quickly and efficiently removes coatings from 15 and 22mm pipes. It comes with a great easy grip, blue rubber handle, a curved blade made of steel making it strong and hard wearing. You can scrape backwards and forwards across the pipe and look, all that paint is gone. It's as easy as that. This will make a great addition to your toolkit and it comes with a 1-year guarantee. See our website to purchase.